Hey everybody, Mr. Hartzler here for Hartzler University. I want to show you in this video how to start a new part with Autodesk Inventor 2016. You start by clicking New and then clicking Standard.ipt. I have already done that, so I'm going to go to that part. It'll show up down at the bottom if you have multiple things open. Next thing you want to do is click Start a 2D Sketch. You'll have an option of choosing whichever plane you like. I'm going to choose XY. I'm going to build what we call our puzzle pieces. And I'm going to start off with rectangles then. I like to start my origin, makes things a lot nicer. And let's make it 0.75 wide, 1.5 tall. I do that by typing in my numbers and hit Tab as I go. I want to make that three-dimensional, so I click 3D Model, click Extrude. I zoom out using my scroll wheel on my mouse. And I want to change this to 0.75. Hit Enter. I then want to build off of this, so I'm going to start a sketch. I'm going to click this side. I'm again going to use rectangles, so I click that option. Start at my origin. It'll typically snap to the corner, no matter which corner you're on. And I can come up 0.75, Tab, 0.75. That lets me type in different dimensions. A shortcut for extruding is hitting the letter E. It is already extruding to 0.75 because that's what I did last time, so that's fine. Hit OK. Now let's start a sketch on our front face. And I'm going to move this more towards the center by pushing on my scroll wheel like a button and dragging in. And let's put a rectangle right here. I can click in that spot. And I'm just going to click any old place, and then I'm going to dimension it. So in case you made something the wrong size initially or you just didn't tell it how big to make it, you could do it this way. 0.75. And then I need to dimension this side. Then I need to extrude it. Hit OK. And there's our piece. To rotate around, maybe look at other pieces or other sides of it, you can hold the scroll wheel like it's a button and the Shift button. And you can orbit around like this. And then I can always click my house to get back to normal. Alright, so that's starting a part and building it on Autodesk Inventor 2016. If you like this video, please click the like button below. If you want to see more tutorials like this or anything related to math or engineering, please follow my channel and subscribe and click that little bell at the bottom right corner and you'll get notifications when I put up new videos. My goal is one every school day for the rest of the year. Have a great day, everybody.